Today, I'm going to share with you 5 work-from-home side hustles that you can earn up to $500 per day, regardless on your experience level. As we go along, each side hustle will pay more than the previous one. So let's dive right in. The first side hustle can make you a few hundred to a few $1,000s in just a few seconds. Sounds like a scam, but it's not. Did you know there's over 58 billion worth of unclaimed money in the US alone? Your state's Treasury Department wants to give it back to you. All you have to do is research for your name and location on sites like missingmoney.com. It was a lucky man who was able to claim a crazy amount of more than $700,000. So who knows, if you're not the next lucky person, you could get the surprise of your life. That one was pretty simple, right? Now let's move to the next one. The second side hustle is an online marketplace that offers transcriptions, captioning, subtitles, and translation services. You can sign up to the website rev.com as a freelancer, fill your information, and choose the best position for you. This can pay you a few $100s per week, and the longer you stay on the platform, the more access to jobs you will have. But be warned, some reviewers have noted that it can be tedious work and the audio files can be tough to decipher. Now let's explore the third side hustle that requires almost no effort from your side, because it's all about renting out your unused space. You can rent out your backyard, driveway, spare closet, a room, or a basement to people who need extra storage space. Sites like neighbors.com can help you find people who are willing to pay you anywhere between $50 to several $100 per month. It's an effortless way to make money without doing much work. Moving on to the next, which requires a bit more skill and expertise, the fourth side hustle. You can make anywhere between $100 to $750 per hour. The name of the company is Responded, and it pays you to participate in a research studies. Their structure is much different than most online service sites and apps. Responded facilitates one-on-one consumer research studies and focus groups, both in person and online. Companies like Microsoft and Intuit use it to get valuable feedback. You need to have some specific knowledge that other people are willing to pay for, and you can sign up on the website with a LinkedIn account to showcase your experience and portfolio. Finally, the last side hustle. This side hustle got the 28-year-old Alex Fazzulo from $36,000 a year to a nice 6 figures yearly. All of that while at the comfort of her home, working in her pajamas. It's something anyone could start, since the only skills you need to be is able to pass a high school English class. I guess the side hustle wouldn't be for me. This is all about freelance writing, which can be a great way to earn substantial income from your home. And the best part is that you can create your own schedule and work for anyone you want, whether it's for companies, publishers, YouTubers, or building your own clientele. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you get started, and you can make anywhere between 100 to 1,000 per article. The key to success in freelance writing is to give every client an all-star experience, market yourself widely, and provide the best work you can. So there you have it. If you want to know the 4 side hustles no one is talking about, click here.